Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SmartThings and set up account security alerts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SmartThings login page. Enter your email address associated with your SmartThings account in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once logged in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the account settings menu, find the security or account security option. Click on the security option to proceed to security settings. Look for the section labeled Account Security Alerts. Enable the option for account security alerts if it is not already activated. You may now select your preferred method of receiving alerts, such as email or SMS. Make sure your contact information is accurate and up to date for receiving alerts. After selecting your preferred notification method, save your changes. You can also review additional security settings, such as two-factor authentication. If prompted, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Follow the instructions to link an authentication app or provide your phone number. Make sure to save all changes made in the security settings. You are now set up with account security alerts on SmartThings. Log out of your account to complete the process and secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.